Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to talk about decisions. Decisions are most important thing in our life, so in coding are two. First we need to talk about comparison operators. First one is equal to. If x is equal to 5 and we have this, x is equal to 7, it's going to be false because 5 is not equal to 7. Then we have not equal. If x is equal to 5, x is not equal to 7. 5 is not equal to 7, it's going to be true. Then we have three equal signs, equal value and equal type. So if x is equal with value and type to 5 and 5 is equal with value and type to 5, it's going to be true. Value is 5 and type is integer, so it's going to be true. And second one, we have that x is equal with value and type to 5 in double quotes, and it's going to be false because 5 is integer with type and 5 in double quotes is string with type, so it's not equal with type and it's going to be false. Then we have not equal value or not equal type. 5 is not equal with value or not equal with type to string 5. It's going to be true because 5 is integer and this one is string. Next we have greater than. X is greater than 7, 5 is greater than 7, it's going to be false. 5 is not greater than 7, but 7 is greater than 5. Then we have greater than or equal to. 5 is greater or equal to 7, it's going to be false again. But if we make that 7 is greater than or equal to 5, it's going to be true because 7 is greater than 5. Then we have less than. 5 is less than 7, it's going to be true. And we have less than or equal to. 5 is less than or equal to 7, and it's going to be true. Next thing we must talk about are logical operators, and there are three types. First is logical AND, then is logical OR, and then is logical NOT. First we must explain what every of them do. If first condition is true and second condition is true, then the result is going to be true. True and false is going to be false. Then false and true is going to be false. False and false is going to be false. It means that if any of conditions is false, the result is going to be false. Then we have logical OR. If one condition is true or second condition is true, it's going to be true. True or false is going to be true. False or true is going to be true. And false or false is going to be false. It means that if any of conditions is true, the result is going to be true. And we have logical NOT. If something is not true, then is logical false. And if something is not false, then it's logical true. And now we have some examples. If x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3, And then we have example for logical AND. If x is less than 10, it means if 6 is less than 10 and it's true, and if y is greater than 1, if 3 is greater than 1, it's going to be true, true and true, true and true, it's going to be true, is true. Next we have x is equal to 5. 6 is not equal to 5, so it's going to be false, or y is equal to 5, 3 is equal to 5, it's going to be false, false or false, false or false is going to be false. And the last example, logical not, not, and inside of parentheses x is equal to y, so 6 is equal to 3, 6 is not equal to 3, but we have not, so it's going to be true. I hope you understand all of this. It's all for today. So next time we are going to make some examples about logical operators and comparison operators. For any questions you can add some comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.